Hey guys, we're here at Lindsay's garage.
Oh
It's
shit.
2 o'clock in the morning at in Snohomish County. Look out for coronavirus. Wash your hands, guys. We're just getting door bars put in the car.
This is mock-up.
This is mock-up. Shout out to Alex for doing this the night before an event. So I'm just sitting in the line. I can jam with the big boys. So yeah, we're just getting it cleaned up. You know, he's doing his test fits. He's doing his magic. If you need anything done.
True. If you need a limited slip differential
No,
welded,
no, I'm not doing that again.
this is your guy. Someone made me take all of my wheels and tires out of my car. That one looks dope.
Dude, I'm gonna have a real...
If anyone wants to support our channel by buying me some new Crocs, they got ruined. Look at all these gray spots. My space is being impeded upon by the seat here.
Close to being in the way.
Wait, hold it in there and I want to close the door.
Ooh.
Oh, cool.
Scuff that up right here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Alex,
Yeah?
this is one of my weirdest requests. Can I clean out your cat's litter box?
What?
Why?
Because it's dirty.
No, I get that, but like,
Why would you?
that's so weird.
Is this an FD spec cage now?
Oh no.
It's bolted in with all the hardware. Do you have to disconnect the battery?
Oh shit.
Are we there yet? Be getting out of
Bam,
it
baby.
and just like trip and eat shit.
We got the door bars in.
Hell yeah. Tandems on the 3/8.